Ganda. Pragcast time. Guys, grabe. My gosh. Ibang level ang ganda. Guys, ang ganda dito. Against the sun. Hindi na against the sun. Pak! Guys, so now I'm going out. We're going to go to the newer part of the city. May mga castles, yung mga may bridges, may tulay, sa may river doon. Lalakarin ko na lang, napag-desisyonan ko na. Pero yung nakita ko ng bus, pwede mag-cart. Pero kaya ko siyang lakarin, feeling ko eh. Let's go! Ooh, look! So guys, tatawirin ko to. Akala ko pwede kong dumiretso, hindi pala pwede. So mag-right ako dito, tapos ikutin ko siya pag ganon. So guys, ito yung lalakarin ko. Mukhang nasa Riverside tayo. Lala! Wow guys, ang ganda. Na-bridge rin dun sa kabila. So later pa uwi, pag ganun naman. Hey guys, we're walking. Gusto ko na parang lahat talaga dito nalalakad mo siya. And it's a very walkable city na kaya mong i-self-pace yung trip. Syempre, kaya mo siya, feeling ko kaya mo siya matapos in 1.5 day or 1 day. Pero, if you want it very light, yung mabili, alam mo yun parang, paano mo sabihin yan? Yung mas relaxing ka, ganito mo siya gawin. So guys, looks like my way dito, aakyat tayo dyan. And we can go around town. Pak, ang ganda dito. Zay. Yung hotel ko nandun pala. Sa viewpoint na tayo guys. Ganda. Now I know why people say maganda dito. It really is. So guys, this is the Letna Park. Ito yung itsura mo dito. You'll see the whole old city or old town. Tapos, sa mas tuktok part lang to. Medyo malaki-laking park siya if you're gonna look at it. And then, ang daming mga younger kids. Or they just look young. So, my hair, tumitikwas. But ang saya dito ha, I'm telling you. Maganda dito. Love it. Kitang dog. Yan no, nakasulat ng mga lahat ng mga kailangan puntahan. Directions. Guys, that's the Prague Metronome naman. If you're gonna look at it. Sa harapan siya ng city center, papunta doon, no? Is akyatin natin siya. Just to see, kasi nakasulat, it's the best viewpoint. Yan natin. Ooh. Okay, maganda nga naman talaga. Oh my gosh, guys. Medyo icy yung lake ko. Hindi frozen, but icy. Ayan mga other viewpoints mo doon, no? This is the Letna Pond. Tapos yung sa harapan niyan is now pavilion pala yan. Restaurant siya. Pavilion nga siya. Ganda rin itong restaurant overlooking the city. But I think it's closed. Ay, parang walang daanan dito guys. Ooh, hilly. Ayan na, the way to go to the castle. Go go guys. Akit tayo. Prague Castle time. Guys, ayun yung Prague Castle. And then, overlooking mo yung view ng city. So tayo guys. Okay. Conserving my energy. Matarik siya guys. Pero kaya. Walang car eh. Ang alam ko, Aussie, wala kang car dito. Guys, yung mga lakaran nila, oh, lahat pasok-pasok. Hindi pwede ka pumasok dito, akit baba, ganyan. So, maraming cafe. So, yun yung napansin ko, marami siyang pasikot-sikot. And then, may mga cafe, mga restaurants. Pero mamaya na tayo kakain. Kasi nakapag free breakfast naman tayo sa hotel. So, bongga! Okay, ito yung castle. Maganda naman talaga. And you also have your church here. Kasi mo may Starbucks pa sila dito sa loob. Oh. Cute, no? Guys, grabe. Look at how intricate the details are of the castle. It's so cute. Parang it's all there. Parang, di ba? Look! So, in fairness, kung nandito ka, puntahan lahat. Kasi kaya siyang lakarin eh. So parang, what time is it? 12:42. Guys, wala pang 1 hour. Pero again, medyo mabilis ako maglakad din. So please, mas matagal siya usually. So guys, eto dapat ang main mo for the castle. Dito ang entrance mo, which is the palace, the old royal palace. Eto siya. And then, ang harap ng castle mo is this. My gosh. Ibang level, ang ganda. Okay guys, so for everything that you might need to know, your castle is here, and then sa harapan niya will be your old palace. Sorry, mali ako. This is your church. The old castle is buo pala itong complex. Then yung palace mo is sa harapan nitong church. Ganun siya. So, tama guys. Kasi this is your St. Vitus Cathedral. Your castle is the one beside it. Nandiyan, yun sa nauwanahan. So, ganun siya. And, parang yun na yun. Tapos na ako dito. Oh, let's go to the Matthias Gate. Matthias. Pababa. And then, I wanna see Lennon. So, yung Lennon Wall as well. Later. Guys, hindi ko siya finalo, di ba? Iba way yung dinaanan ko. But ito, yung, I feel the formal entrance na to. Oh, just a reason why. Yung hotel ko kasi malapit dun sa kabila, di ba? So, inikot ko siya pa ganun. But usually what I see, the path of people is from the main entrance. Mapunta siya doon sa park na pinuntahan ko. But I think that's the fun of it all. You just do whatever works for you depending on ano yung schedule that works for you as well. Ito nga, entrance guys. May cafe in the garden pa dito. Ang path ni Jax Reyes, pabaliktad. Kung saan papasok yung tao, palabas ako doon. Nakakaloka, but it works. Diba? Baliktad talaga, guys. So, dyan lahat ng mga tao papunta, oh. Papunta pa lang papasok dito. Ganun siya. My gosh, guys. This viewpoint is so pretty. Tingnan mo naman. Ang ganda. Ganito. Guys, ang ganda ng viewpoint mo dito, oh. And then from here, you see the whole complex. Ganda. So guys, ito pa yung way mo pababa naman. So, ganda. Diba? Okay, balik talaga yung way ko. So lahat ng tao nakita mo, papunta. So ako pabaliktad. Pero you get the point. Kahit naman pabaliktad ka, magagawa mo pa rin siya. Makita mo rin naman siya. So, just do whatever that works for you. And then later, maghanap ako ng makakain ko. I think I deserve something to eat. Ay nako, napansin ko rin dito, alam mo yung McDo nila dito guys, may bayad yung CR. So parang sabi ko, uwi na lang ako. Ah, wow. Alam mo, nagets ko na why ganun yung way niya. Kasi ganda rin naman pala paakyat from here. Pero not bad rin naman yung kanina nating way. So, ito yung way mo. Pababa. Ah, ganda. Actually guys, mas maganda tong way ko nga ngayon. Kasi tingnan mo naman to, overlooking tong gandang view. Diba? At mas madaling pababa. Well, kanina naman umakyat rin tayo. Yung papunta dun sa castle, yung pa-exit. Guys, ang ganda dito. Diba? Oh. Guys, yun yung mga sikat nila ng dessert. So, yan. Yung parang tinapay na may ice cream. Parang cornetto. Pero, mamaya na. I'm sure sa city meron. Pero looks good na dito. Mumo. Mga embassy. So, like, Romanian embassy. Tapos, other embassies are almost here. Then you have lots of restaurants rin dito. Then guys, near here is yung column of the Holy Trinity. So, landmark rin siya. Oh my gosh, may Starbucks na naman dyan, oh guys. Yan, napansin ko, daming Starbucks dito, ah. Ang dami mga shops dito, oh. Mga bentanang pagkain, may mulled wine, tapos may mga jewelries. In short, ang dami mong pwedeng bilhin, gawin. But I feel, alam mo na, kung touristy place, impression yan, maganda. So guys, nandito na yung isang parang gate hero. Like bridges and pathways mo. So ito na yung Lennon Wall, as we call it. So it's a wall outside near the castle. And it's all about freedom, energy. Diba? Daddy, this for you. Ito na yung Lennon Wall mo. So, syempre, John Lennon is from the Beatles. And you can have your photo here if ever you want to. Tapos sa loob, meron rin silang other souvenir shops that you might want to go in and look into as well. Tingnan natin, baka naman may mabili tayo for Jazz's home. Ang kaganda ng gamit nila. Ito guys, so the wall pub. Tapos may yellow submarine. So talagang parang linked siya with the other one. Not bad. Reminds me of Dad again. Ay naku. Daddy, miss ya. Yes. Parang nakita ko yung mga cute na sweater. Parang sabi ko, oh my gosh, Dad would love that. I'm sure. Yung susuotin niya, all you need is love. Tapos may maliit na heart dito. Parang so cute. So guys, ipapunta sa Charles Bridge. Ayan na siya later. Akitin natin yan. But you're gonna see here, the other side of it. Cute na mga ganyang mga restaurants. Diba yung parang nakaupo ka, may fireplace. Or just sit down here, oh. And just do your thing. Pwede ka magpahinga dito. There you go. And of course, akitin na natin siya. Against the sun. Hindi na against the sun. Pak! Gumagaling na ako mag-vlog, guys. At saka lagi na ako may microphone para hindi nyo na ako pagalitan. Sabihin nyo na ano, masyado millennial. Millennial naman talaga ako. So, gets nyo, it is what it is. Okay, ay, ang ganda dito. Show it to you. O, diba? And then, you can see the whole, yung kanina natin yung pinagdaanan. Ito na siya. Guys, ito na yung Charles Bridge. And talagang makikita mo daming tao, but you'll know why. So both sides of it, ang ganda naman, di ba? So kanina, doon tayo nanggaling, like 3 bridges apart. So nandun yung hotel. Pero kasi pag dito ka dumaan, ang maganda dito, nakita mo na lahat ng mga kanina natin dinaanan, di ba? And it's a good path to go to the castle as well. Guys, so yung view mo dito. So from, di ba, the bridge kanina, pagbaba mo, if you turn right, eto siya, you see the panoramic view. Tapos you see the lake. And then guys, over there will be our lunch spot, mid-afternoon spot. Guys, dito tayo, Cafe Slavia. Eto na tayo, Cafe Slab. Sa mga lunch sila here. Alam mo, sikat talaga ang veal talaga here. And then they have desserts. So, you can check. And then the regular menu, nandito rin. Ang dami. Oh my gosh, 1881 pa siya bukas. Kaya naman pala siya sikat. Okay, hahanap tayo ng kakainan. Not mura ang food, pero since sikat siya, kakain tayo at itatry natin siya for you guys. Guys, I got stroganoff and then a glass of wine as rineko nila sa akin. So, let's try it. Ay, lambot. In fairness, masarap. Not bad. Mahal, pero masarap. 285 to So this is like 500 pesos, guys. Pero masarap naman. Mahal, pero masarap. Okay, kain na ako. It's a good late lunch. At the very least. Naman yung lunch ko na yon. And then, now I'm going to the dancing house. Kasi parang malapit siya dito sa line na to. Then later, punta tayo dun sa rotating head naman. Ayan yung dancing house, guys. Diba, bilis lang nakarin din. So, pwede kayo kumain, nakarin nyo to, then yun na yun. Guys, yan si dancing, parang the dancing house. Kasi nga, di ba, if you see it, parang sumasayaw naman talaga yung bahay. Ang ganda ng architecture. Super nice. Worth a visit. Okay, let's go. Move on to the next. And guys, grabe ang dami pwedeng lakaran dito. And it's so cute. Ang cute na yun. Nag-walk siya ng dog. Cute! So, ganyan. And then, we'll go and see the rotating head. Yan, gusto ko rin makita yan. Parang almost everything na gusto kong puntahan, napuntahan ko na before 3 pa lang. Almost 8 house, so. Diba? Kakaiba. And then here we are, guys. Apparently, it's a city, tapos sa may mall pala siya. Shopping station. Ito pala siya. Akala ko kung saan man siya. Dito pala siya sa loob. And tingnan mo yung mga restaurants pa sa loob. So, sakto later, pwede ka naman mag-restaurant. Tingnan natin. Ayan yan, kung umiikot siya. Hindi umiikot. Ayan siya, guys. So, hindi naman walang umikot. Ayan o. Boogs. Pak, nakatingin sa'yo. Bags. We deserve to get dessert now. May dessert kasi shop called Crème de la Crème. Ice cream siya. So, bala ko kumain. Oh my gosh, may KFC sila. Tingnan mo yung KFC nila dito. Wow, mukhang masarap. So, that's the pastry or ice cream shop, Crème de la Crème. Ayan yung itsura niya. See? Let's try it. Oh my gosh, ang dami niyang mga desserts. Parang Milanese siya. And then marami siyang mga ice cream. Gosh. Guys, cute. So guys, itong Crème de la Crème was the one that I've went to. 2 flavors. Coffee pa rin yung kinuha ko kasi I want my coffee. Parang gelato lang naman siya sa Milan. If you're looking for good gelato, masarap. They have all the typical flavor like pistachio, stracciatella, tiramisu, and all those. Crème de la crème. Okay siya pang dessert. Hindi siya typical, pero sikat siyang dessert dito. Na rin pala yung Cafe Louvre. Masarap daw yung food dyan sa Cafe Louvre, but kind of pricey, but good. At least now I know, dyan lang pala siya. So, kaya sikat pala dito ang Pilsner kasi nga, world's first Pilsner beer. So if you want to see my museum dito, you can look at it. And may gift shop rin sila sa loob. So guys, ito na yung cantina. I keep hearing about it and let's go. Tingnan natin. Taran! Ito yung cantina. Guys, ganito yung buong itsura niya dito and you can select all of your different food and you're given your paper para dito ka magbibili. So, magsiselect ka kung saan mo gusto kumain. Guys, ito yung mga selections mo. Meron kang meat selection dito na una, if ever, and you can buy it to take home yung mga other things mo dyan. So, pwede. Then, may beer ka on that side. And then dito, yung mga lutong pork, if I'm not mistaken. So, parang masarap rin to. Like, cutlets, meron siya dito. Ready na ba tayo to try this? So, I got a tartar kasi sobrang sikat nila siya dito. So, you pay later pagkatapos mo, but let's try it. Hindi na muna ako mag-order ng beer kasi parang ayoko pa muna mag-beer. You ready? My goodness, this is raw beef. I'm so scared to eat like raw beef. But, we're gonna try it out. Okay, let's do this. Kinakabahan ako. Gusto ko tinapay lang. Rub your garlic. Okay. So, 200 grams of beef siya. Sarap. Okay. I thought I won't not like it, pero masarap siya. Guys? Sarap ng pagkagawa niya. Okay. Good food. Guys, I can just say, hindi ko siya in-expect na gusto ko siya. And nakatayo lang ako dito kumakain. Like, I'm enjoying it. Like, almost everyone here will order the carpaccio or the tartar. Hindi na ako ng-carpaccio. It's because kumain naman ako ng carpaccio and to be honest, masyado na madami. Hindi ko siya mauubos. Parang I know myself. But, worth it. Go. Not that bad yung price niya, parang 300 plus. This is beef. That's 200 grams of beef. And the beef is good. Hindi ko in-expect na magustuhan ko siya, pero nagustuhan ko siya. Ganong levels. Amoy garlic na yung bungang ako now, but it's okay. Kasi I enjoyed it so much. Love!